Oh gosh.
So I've been testing it since I put the Baja kits mid-travel on front with the Kings. I need to add the triple bypass, you know, and get rid of the sway bar, because having the sway bar on it right now, it really limits my articulation and everything. But
is there anywhere in Missouri you can kind of take it out?
We have a place called St. Joe State Park, and it's like sand dune type things.
Right.
I could bomb across some stuff there and test it. And I was dialing in a little bit there, but it's not. There's more four-wheelers and stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. I doubt you would want to go use it here, but there's I'm from here, and there's down below the Keystone Dam, there's some whoops for like a long time.
Nice. Yeah, that's I need to. We were out in Nevada. My wife's from California, so we get out there and go out to Ocasio Wells and stuff.
Right. Yeah.
Get a little more fun with it, but
I'm familiar with that. I didn't get to drive my truck in it because I was traveling cross country.
Yeah.
I didn't want to bang it up.
Right.
But
I mean, when you're traveling, it's hard.
Yeah. I get it.
Something, you're screwed when you're out there.
Is it four-wheel drive or two?
It's four-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, mine's two. I wish I was four.
Yeah. Sometimes I wish it was two because I could get a lot more travel out of it. But, I carry an extra set of CB axles with me.
Oh yeah.
I throw a CB axle
Man.
or something.
Is it? Are they putting 10-speed autos in there now?
This is a 6.2 10-speed with 342 gears.
Do they come with paddles?
It doesn't have paddles.
Doesn't have paddles. What kind of exhaust is that?
One I welded up. It originally was a AWE full, but when I added that bumper that came out as a dual to the back, 4.5-inch dual tips, and it hung so low.
Oh yeah.
When I put that bumper, it looked stupid. So I kept the stainless works, headers, everything down. It comes down dual 3-inch, comes across and over, and then I welded it up from there just before this trip because it's way too drony on the highway.
Oh god, yeah. I need to get a cutout or something because I'm just running open. I have cats, but I'm just running open exhaust.
Yeah, I have cats right now, but I don't plan on having them much longer.
Yeah. Oh, the tow truck or the cat?
The cat.
Oh,
I'm gonna bring it out up over the frame and out the fender, but I didn't have time to cut all that pipe.
Yeah.
So I just welded this on real quick. It looks like shit. It's like
dude, that bumper's sick. Is that custom?
That's a what is that one? It's not custom. I could have built it myself looking at it now when I got it, but mazulla.
Oh yeah, Missoula's nice.
Yeah. I want their front valence too, but I think I'm gonna make it my own.
Yeah. I just put my own skid plate on.
I'm gonna cut it across right here.
Right.
Make a tube bumper that goes across with my own skid plate down.
Yeah.
That's my big issue right now is my approach angle. I bash that thing off so much stuff when I land.
Yeah.
So I need to cut that and put the skid plate on there.
Yeah, yours would kill mine. I've just done some little cheap mods. I had a sick Tahoe and I wish I didn't sell it, but That's what I did. I have an 08, so it's really easy. The plastic part is just straight across, and then you just fab up a skid plate. It's a lot easier.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut pretty much right where the plastic comes across with the metal. I'm gonna cut it all the way across, and then just run a 2-inch pipe across there.
That'd be sick.
Down and then run a skid plate across.
Oh yeah.
But since mine is the max tow, I have the integrated cooling, so those are functional vents. So I need to figure out a way to do with because those ram air up into my radiator, which is bad and good. When you're running in sand, it just fills my radiator and everything with freaking sand. So I need to figure something out with that. But
well, that's sweet. Thanks for telling me about it.
No problem, bud.
Good luck out there.
Thanks.
Sorry, I asked some guy about his truck, and then it went on forever.
That's okay. Those little weenie dogs. I'm normally not a weenie dog fan, but they are cute.
Yeah,
they must be puppies.
I think they're about to start, so I'm gonna run into the museum really quick in case they shut it. What time is it?
5:05.
Oh yeah.